The concept of terraforming Mars entails transforming the planet's atmosphere and environment to make it habitable for human life. Although it's a complex and challenging task, but it's possible with the right tools and technology. The initial step towards terraforming Mars is to create a more Earth-like atmosphere. Currently, the atmosphere pressure on Mars is just 1% of that on Earth, making it difficult for humans to survive without a pressurized suit. To increase the atmospheric pressure, we need to release greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrogen, into the atmosphere. These gases will trap heat, gradually warming the planet's surface and creating a more Earth-like environment for humans to live in. Furthermore, the atmosphere would need to be thick enough to protect humans from harmful radiation and meteorite impacts. The second step is to create a magnetic field to protect the planet from solar winds and radiation. Furthermore, a strong magnetic field will protect the atmosphere from being stripped away by solar winds. Therefore, to create a magnetic field, we can either place a series of satellites in orbit around the planet, which will generate the magnetic field, or use a process known as induced magnetic reconnection, which involves generating a large electrical current in the planet's core to produce a magnetic field. The third step is to warm the planet's surface, as Mars is significantly colder than Earth. This can be achieved through methods such as employing heat-generating devices such as nuclear reactors, or by using mirrors to reflect sunlight onto the planet's surface. Once we've established a magnetic field, we can begin introducing and cultivating plant life on Mars. Plants are crucial in maintaining atmospheric pressure and creating an environment suitable for human life. The introduction of plants will also begin producing oxygen, making it easier for humans to breathe on Mars. The final step in terraforming Mars is creating a sustainable water source. This can be accomplished by utilizing the resources available on the planet, such as the ice caps and underground water sources, for drinking, agriculture, and hydropower. Terraforming Mars is a complex and demanding project that requires significant resources and scientific expertise. Nevertheless, with the right technology, it's possible to make it reality. By increasing atmospheric pressure, establishing a magnetic field, introducing plant life, and creating a sustainable water source, we can make Mars a hospitable environment for human life. If you'd like to see anything particular covered in the next video, let us know in the comments.